This video is about the control buttons on the printer. Left and right control the left and right movement of the car. Base controls the resetting of the car. Up and down control the forward and backward rotation of the roller. Base can also control the reset of the roller. Cleaning controls the printer to perform a cleaning action. Stop is an emergency stop button that cuts off the power supply to the entire machine. LED switch controls the on or off of the LED lights above the roller. Trigger automatic switch is the way to trigger the printing action. The pressed state is automatically triggered, while the popped-up state is manually triggered. Rotate button manual is used to manually switch the roller.